latest news headlines from Newfound News.
It is Tuesday, January 13th, and our top news story. Thousands of customers remain without power on the Avalon Peninsula, Burin Peninsula, Clarenville area, and the Bonavista Peninsula this morning after strong winds ripped across the island overnight. In some cases, winds got up to 140 and greater. Crews have responded to some areas. However, Newfoundland Power says due to the widespread damage, it will take time to get all customers back online. In other news, 2 people were taken to hospital after a collision in St. John's on Monday. The collision occurred at the intersection of Kenmount Road and Great Eastern Avenue at around 2:45 p.m. The collision slowed traffic in both lanes on Kenmount Road, causing significant traffic delays in the area. Both vehicles sustained moderate damage as a result of the collision. And finally, the Department of Forestry, Agriculture and Lands is now accepting applications for the Resilient Agricultural Landscape Program. The program helps farmers and producers adopt beneficial land use and management practices that increase the environmental resiliency of farms. Applications are being accepted until February 23rd. Your weather forecast is coming up next.
Now, your provincial weather forecast for Newfoundland and Labrador.
We'll take a look right now at your weather forecast, which is much improved compared to yesterday and last night when the winds were just howling across pretty much all of Newfoundland and portions of southeastern Labrador as well. As we head through today, the good news is all the weather warnings have ended and the weather will be much improved today. So we'll start our weather story in eastern Newfoundland, St. John's today. We are looking at a mix of sun and cloud. The winds are going to be a bit gusty this morning, but they're only going to get up to about 60 or 70, which is half, even more so than half than what we saw yesterday. And then as we head through central Newfoundland, the winds have diminished. We are looking at a mix of sun and cloud for both Gander and Grand Falls today. On the west coast of the island portion of the province, we are looking at fairly overcast conditions. We'll see a few flurries today in Port aux Basques. And then as we head up toward Labrador, pretty nice day, all things considered. A mix of sun and cloud for most areas. We might see some flurries in western areas of Labrador. The forecast now overnight tonight, we are going to see fairly cloudy conditions with a few clear breaks for much of eastern and central Newfoundland. A couple centimeters of snow expected for most of the west coast tonight. Temperatures on the island anywhere from -2 to -10. And then as we head up toward Labrador, we are looking at fair skies for Nain, Happy Valley, Goose Bay, and Churchill Falls. Some light snow expected tonight in western Labrador for Labrador City with about 2 centimeters expected. That's a look at your weather forecast now.